Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis in November, on Monday Sibongile is defeated after Jabu kicks her to the cap, but Zama is unwilling to let her go down without a fight. Meanwhile, an excited Njengaye shares his big plans for Sibalikhulu Holdings. On Tuesday, Sibongile turns to Kwenzo when Zama suggests a protest to keep her in school. While Tina tries to pull herself together, Vusi seems to be falling apart. Can Samke convince Kuzwayo she is not to be messed with? On Wednesday, Sibongile begs Zama to hold the protest while Njengaye moves to give her an offer she can't refuse. Tina has a horrid time with Peteni and her friends at the restaurant. On the second week, on Monday, Sibongile is shattered when Vuma forbids her from taking money from the Dlaminis. Samke's effort to threaten Kuzwayo takes a turn. The helpers take matters into their own hands. On Tuesday, Kwenzo prepares to move to Ixhobo. Meanwhile, Njengaye announces plans to reopen a magazine factory. Samke struggles to get through to Vuma about Sibongile accepting the money from the Dlaminis. On Wednesday, Njengaye announces the reopening of a magazine factory. Vusi tries to use money to get a second chance with Tina when Zeni's podcast is discovered. On the third week, on Monday, getting rid of Kwenzo is harder than Vuma thought. Kuzwayo and Peteni realize they have something in common. Njengaye plans a holiday to encourage Temba and Wenzeni to bond. On Tuesday, Velephi'S stumbles upon a juicy piece of information which makes her warm up to Sibongile. Tina gets fed up with Vusi's attempts to woo her. Meanwhile, Tulisile is in for some disappointment. On Wednesday, Njengaye and Nomfundo share an eyebrow-raising moment. Elsewhere, Vuma shares his plans to marry Samke. Vusi's big moment to woo Tina falls flat. On the third week, on Monday, Vuma seeks Ntombela's blessings to marry Samke. In a heartfelt reunion, Sibongile and Kwenzo reflect on their parents. Sis Mavis engages in a candid conversation with Nomfundo. On Tuesday, Njengaye must yet again choose between Nomfundo and Peteni. Zama catches Velephi'S motives for being around. Vuma finally gets blessings to marry Samke, but it comes at a price. On Wednesday, even though Peteni is around, Nomfundo is on Njengaye's mind. The plan for Wenzeni and Temba seems to be working. Meanwhile, love is blooming for Vuma and Samke. Thank you for watching.